just wide of short mid-wicket, in the air for a moment or two.
Two play shots, so maneuvering the ball will be the key, and accelerate at the end. So wickets in hand, it's going to be very important. Look at that. Great to see. Out on the pitch, well, he's not going to be on there for long.
He's just having a little wonder. He's had enough of being in the crowd. He wants to get out and see.
Well, that's over the top. There's a man down there. This won't be dropped. David Hooks is underneath it. He's out. Both them out. Caught by David Hooks.
Things we're getting a bit bored because, well, somebody else beat me to it.
There he is. He's got the Australian flag on.
This all-rounder had ball speed, and this spin bowler had none, and this little piggy been put to sleep by the policeman.
Doesn't really want to know. Looks a bit nervous too, the policeman down there.
Almost went for 6. Now hitting hard for the leg side. Somebody
Scoring him off the field. Gee, that
Now, a few times he hits.
it's the Seagulls up on his feet. This is that's him.
That's an unbelievable effort.
That's a bigger recovery.
Kent McKay. He's been pulled out in the legs.
He can save another couple of runs there, I reckon. He's